Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues if you have the EUHOMY ice maker and what are the things that you can do. So if you have some errors that you can have with the electronic, what you can try to do, you can unplug the ice maker and wait for like 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then you want to plug it back in. And then what you want to do is you want to press the power button for about 5 seconds, and then the ice maker should go through the reset. So first unplug it, wait for like 1 minute, 2 minutes, plug it back in, and then you want to just press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. Another thing is that you're gonna have frozen lines, ice buildup, prevent proper function. What I would recommend to do is like completely unplug the ice maker, allow it to warm up and thaw completely several hours, wipe down and clean all parts thoroughly, and plug it back in and see if it starts working properly. So just plug it out and leave it for like multiple hours to see if it's going to like defrost for you and clean it from the inside, and then it's going to also possibly fix the issue. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.